To adjust notification volume played by your Galaxy Watch from Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, tap sound and vibration. Tap volume. And then slide the volume adjustment bar below notification to the right to get a louder notification sound. Or you can slide it to the left to get a quieter notification sound. Tap the back key. By adjusting the notification volume, when you receive a new notification on your Galaxy Watch, it will play the notification tone at the predefined volume level. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.